In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Valorant keeps crashing. Now the first thing that we want to do is we want to open up Task Manager. And in here what we want to do is we want to make sure that our CPU and memory is not being overly used. So click first on memory, see which one uses the most. And if it's as high as mine, as you can see, mine is almost 70%, I suggest you just close down the ones that use the most if you don't need them. Now, if this is not a problem, what you can do is go to Device Manager, open it up, find your display adapters, right click and make sure you update your graphics card. Once that is done, what you want to do is you want to search for Firewall, open up Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app, change settings, and now we want to allow Valorant. So search for Valorant down here, right click, open file location, and then right click again and open file location. And then when we're in the right folder, what we want to do is come here, click here, Control C, allow another app, browse, Control V, press enter. Now this is just to add the right client. So what I suggest you do is you add first the right client, open and add. I already have this one, so I cannot do it. But once you've added it, you want to press here again, browse, and you want to come to the same folder, but this time you want to come back, find Valorant, live, valorant.exe, open, and it's gonna be called Bootstrap Package Game, and you want to add that one as well. Then once you've done that, you'll see the Valorant right here. You want to make sure it's ticked and ticked and ticked, and you also want to find the right games, which should be around here, right client. You also want to make sure that that is ticked, ticked, and ticked. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is find Valorant. You want to open file location. Then what you want to do is you want to right click on it and not open file location again, but just go to properties, go to compatibility and check these two boxes. Once you've done that, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.